Hey, pet lovers. First, I want to thank the brand for sending this dog ramp for review. If you followed us for a while, you know that our rescue dog Nala weighs about 74 pounds and has been diagnosed with IVDD last year. Because of her condition, she can no longer safely jump in and out of vehicles, and we've had to be very careful about protecting her neck and her back from unnecessary strain. Before having a ramp, simple things like a trip to the park, a vet visit, or even a quick stop for a pup cup became more challenging. Lifting Nala wasn't always easy, and we wanted a solution that would allow her to stay active while protecting her neck and spine. The first thing I want to show you is the setup. It was very straightforward. The ramp unfolds quickly and attaches securely to my car. Despite being long and extra wide, it surprisingly was lightweight and easy to handle. Once it was in place, it was time for the real test. We used a few treats and plenty of encouragement to help Nala understand what we wanted her to do. Like many dogs, she was unsure at first, but the non-slip surface gave her good traction and helped build her confidence. And then she did it, guys. Watching her walk up the ramp on her own was such a rewarding moment for us. It gave her a safe way to access our vehicle without jumping, and it gave me peace of mind knowing we were reducing the stress on her neck and her back. When we were finished, the ramp folded up easily. I also appreciated that it was simple to carry for me and didn't take up storage space a lot, at least in our vehicle or our garage. Overall, this has been a helpful addition to our family. If you have a large dog, a senior dog, or a pet with mobility concerns, this ramp might make outings much easier while helping keep your dog safe and comfortable.